everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay RBC credit card bill with points. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that, first of all, access your RBC mobile banking app and simply sign in. Afterwards, you will be able to find this kind of interface, including your account's details on top, and all you have to do is scroll down a bit. Then you will be able to access this option of credit cards on top, and if you see, you will be able to see the minimum payment of your card and buy when you have to do the date, and you can see the option of pay credit card with points. So all you have to do is tap on that particular highlighted text. Afterwards, you will be able to access this interface where you can see $25 is worth 4,300 points. So let's say, for example, right now we only have 4,300 points for us to access $25. So we will be able to select that option and tap on submit, and $25 will be paid. But if you have more than that, you can see 8,600 points worth $50 and etc. here in this list. You can choose those options as well if you have enough points and redeem it accordingly. So this is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.